What are you girls doing?
Are you swimming with Haley?
It's hot.
It's a little hot over here.
Are you holding hands? Oh.
You're doing great. Okay.
Okay.
That was awesome. It's a little hot.
Now you're done. You're done. Wanna go more? You wanna go more?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
You're doing great.
It's a little hot.
That was great. Good job, big sister. Good job swimming, Haley.
Hi, Daddy. It's hot.
Yes!
Great.
Now go swing this house. There.
Yeah, it's on her own. You want to swim all the way back, Jordan, yourself?